Good day, sir. My name is Christian Michael Pinar. I'm section D, Dube. Free surface effects. The cargo liquefaction are both seriously stability concerns in the maritime transportation. Effectively, for bulk carrier, how they are behave, the ship's list. The surface effects. The free surface effect occurs when the liquid cargo shifts due to the vessel motion. This movement reduces the ship's stability by shifting the center of the gravity. When the ship leads, the liquid moves toward lower side, increase the least of the center of gravity shifts in the same direction, making the harder of the ships recover. The ship is more reserved with the cargo shallow tanks, increase the transverse movement area and the reductions metacentric height. In the extreme cases of the ships, make capsize, stability is a loss. Cargo liquefaction. Cargo liquefaction occurs when the solid bulk cargo contains aqueous moisture and transforms into liquid-like state due to the ship vibration and motion. The liquid cargo flows the ship's lower side, applying the least. Unlike free surface effect, the cargo does not returns to its original position. Keeping the ship's tight position, the ship suffers progressing hailing, leading to rapid capsize. If cargo settle universally, it may cause sudden ships, making recovery difficult. Mitigation strategies for the free surface effects. Use bottles maintain full empty tanks rather than the partially filled ones. The cargo liquefactions that test transportable moisture limit. Avoid high moisture cargo and ensure proper drainage. Both phenomena can be catastrophic in the size managed properly, making the stability management critical bulk carriers.